This can control the motor's speed. Okay, before we try the circuit, we use the multimeter to check it. The NE555 pin 3 output, the PWM. Because the NE555 is very stable, this motor control works quite steady. Why it is so popular after 50 years? My answer is, first, it's so cheap, and the second, it works with a wide voltage, and the third, it is very reliable.
2,000 years later.